Update on the stairs. I made it up. I got rid of the... Yeah. Oh, this ceiling is close. Again, I'm 5'2". This is my eye height in here. Great view. Broom. Nice view out here. Look, another boat. Light. Would have been a light. And view out. What are you? View out the other end, which is much clearer. This shit would be getting beat up by like water and shit when we have hurricanes and whatever. Oh, man, that's scary. Okay, foghorn. That's gonna hurt my ears. I fear for my life. So you do it like that, all right? I don't want to actually do it, actually. But yeah, you do it like that. And then if you do it really quickly, it'll make a horn sound. I don't want to do it, though, because it scares me. Put me in a coward, Nolan. I did it. Oh, that's enough of that for me. I'm gonna throw the broom down the stairs and then just follow it. Hell yeah, that worked. Now I have to get down here. Can't just throw the phone in my pocket. Should probably put you the other way around so you can actually see shit. There you go. This is fucking scary. Why is there only a railing on one